Yo mama so dumb, she studied for a drug test.
Yo mama is dumb, she thought Wu-Tang was an African orange drink.
Yo mama so dumb, she got locked in a grocery store and starved.
Yo mama so dumb, she tried to put M&Ms in alphabetical order.
Yo mama so ugly, when she entered the ugly contest they said, sorry. No professionals.
Yo mama so ugly, she looked out the window and got arrested.
Yo mama so ugly, when she was born her mother said, what a treasure. And her father said, yeah. Let's go bury it.
Yo mama so ugly, they didn't give her a costume when she tried out for Star Wars.
Yo mama so fat, when she turns around people give her welcome back parties.
Yo mama so fat she saw a yellow truck full of white kids in it and she said stop that Twinkie.
Yo mama so fat when she jumps she makes the CD skip, at the radio station.
Yo mama so fat, when went outside in a red dress, people saw her and yelled, hey cool ain't.
Yo mama so fat when she jumped up in the air she got stuck.